This is the Christmas wrap. The Christmas wrap. This is the Christmas wrap. The Christmas wrap.
The Christmas wrap. Say what?
The Christmas wrap. Say what? The Christmas wrap. I say yeah.
What?
Say what? What? Go ahead, Sarah.
Here we go. Here we go. This is Sarah on the mic tonight. Because I'm not holding the mic in my hand because you can't see it on top of the computer actually. So here we are celebrating Christmas time. It's in a few days, so we're going to try to rhyme this for you.
Here we go.
Try to rhyme
Here we
this
go.
for you.
So I went to the store and I was like, I should buy Sarah more of that paper. Maybe a sky scraper.
I really needed one of those. It could help me pick my nose. On those terrible days, you know, when it's flowing out like a river flows.
Dude, I know what you mean. But maybe we should go and see what we're really talking about because I'm a little confused. Maybe there's a drought.
If there's a drought, then I'm just dry. Because I've been using lots of moisturizer, I don't know why, but I've been breaking it out in dry, pretty skin. It's really, really ugly.
So I gave you this packet. It involved the racket. You know, to play ping pong. And that's why I'm singing this song. You know what I'm trying to say, y'all? You know what I'm trying to say, y'all?
My friend, named Lauren,
Named Lauren.
she likes to sing and play
She likes
ping pong.
to sing and play ping pong.
She likes to sing and play
She
ping
likes
pong.
to sing and play ping pong.
Especially at Christmas. Especially at Christmas.
What was that? Was that a dead word? I think it was, because that's like absurd. I've never heard a word so absurd like that word that I just said. Hey, this is the Christmas ray, yeah, yeah. This is the Christmas ray, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'm not a cheerleader. Oh.
Thanks.
Merry Christmas.
Have a Merry Christmas, and I hope
Remember?
all your dreams come true.
And remember,
Besides illegal ones, of course.
it's not about receiving, it's about giving. And it's about what God gave us, which is His Son. And He loves you very much. So I hope you have a wonderful Christmas.
And we also love you.
Farewell.
See you guys.